Hi, good morning to all. See here today problems, okay? Continuation problems. See here first this question, very important question, 3 marks question, okay? This form of proof important. Right, see here in this question. So here page number 44 by 5 in 1, okay? Page number 44 by 5 in 1. See here prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the formula, okay? This formula proof important, right? See here in this formula, right? See here first here prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here put a is equal to tan inverse x. Here in the solution here, so here in the solution here put okay, put a is equal to tan inverse of x. A is equal to tan inverse of x. So here if and only if, so here x is equal to tan of a, x is equal to here tan of a, x is equal to here tan of a, x value is tan a. Next time this value is b. So here b is equal to tan inverse of y. Okay, tan inverse of y. So here if and only if tan b is equal to y. So that is y is equal to here tan of b, y is equal to here tan of b. See here this value is a, put a is equal to tan inverse x. If and only if, so here x is equal to, take in this side here tan of a. Next time tan inverse y is equal to b. So here tan inverse take in this side here, y is equal to tan of b. Okay, right. So here see here formula, trigonometry formula. Now tan of a plus b is equal to here, now here tan of a plus b is equal to here tan of a plus b. Here tan of a plus b is equal to here in this formula tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b by here 1 minus tan a into tan b, 1 minus tan of a into here tan of b, 1 minus tan a into here tan of b formula. Okay, this is the formula. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the formula. Okay, right. So here replace these values here. Tan a value, tan a is x. Okay, tan a value is x, tan b value is y. So replace here. So here tan of a plus b is equal to here tan of a plus b. Here tan of a plus b is equal to, replace these values here. So that is x plus y by next time 1 minus here xy. Okay, x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here tan take in this side here. So here therefore a plus b. Here a plus b is equal to here tan take in this side here tan inverse of. So that is tan inverse of. So this value is x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here replace a value is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, b value is tan inverse of y. Replace here. So therefore a value here tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x plus b value tan inverse of y, b value. So that is tan inverse of y. So that is tan inverse of y is equal to, so here in this value is tan inverse of here tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus here xy. Okay, this is the proof. Okay, so this question important question. Okay, this question important question. See here tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, this formula important. One more time. See here in this question here, prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here in this question here put a is equal to tan inverse x. So if and only if x is equal to, here take in this side here tan a. Next here tan inverse of y is equal to b is equal to tan inverse of y. Okay, this value a, this value b. So if and only if y is equal to, here take in this side here tan of b. So here now see this is the formula, tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So replace these values here, tan a value x, tan b value y. Okay, replace here. So that is x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Okay, so here tan take in this side here. So here a plus b is equal to here tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, so replace your a value by tan inverse x, b value by tan inverse y. Replace here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. This form of proof. Okay, 3 marks question. Already given in exam, final exam, this question. Okay, 3 marks question. Okay, write this question. One time practice. Okay, right? See here in this next problem. Right, see here in this next question. See here in this next question. See, this is 2 marks questions. These questions also repeated questions in exam, final exam. Check one time previous question papers. Okay, these problems are repeated questions. Right, see here in this page number 45 by example 3. Okay, example 3. See here, prove that. Okay, sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x. Okay. Next question, same. See here, sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. This value same, LHS value. Okay, RHS value changing here. 2 cos inverse x. Here 2 sin inverse x. Okay. Alright, see here in this difference here. So here take here, put x is equal to here in the side sin inverse x. Okay, prove that sin inverse x. Put x is equal to sin a here. So in this question, see here in the side cos inverse x. So here put x is equal to cos a. Okay, put x is equal to cos a in this question. See here, prove that here, cos inverse x here. In this side put x is equal to cos a. Here in this side sin inverse x. So here put x is equal to sin a. Right, see here first question. See here in this first question. So in this solution here, in this solution, in this first question. Okay, first question, see here. So in this side sin inverse of x, prove that. Okay, so here put x is equal in this side LHS value, put x is equal to, so here put x is equal to, put x is equal to sin theta, put x is equal to here sin of theta, put x is equal to sin theta. So if and only if here theta is here, taking the side here theta is equal to here sin inverse of x, theta is equal to sin inverse of x. See here theta value, sin inverse of x theta value. Alright, so here in this taking LHS value. Okay, first one LHS value. So here in this LHS value, see here in this LHS value is equal to sin inverse of here sin inverse of 2x into here square root of 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus here x square, taking LHS value. So replace here x by sin theta, replace x by sin theta. So that is equal to here sin inverse of replace here 2 into x is equal to sin theta, 2 into sin of theta into square root of 1 minus x is equal to sin square theta, x is equal to here sin square theta, x is equal to sin square theta. So that is equal to here sin inverse of here this value 2 into here sin theta, 2 into sin theta into see here in this value here. So root of 1 minus sin square theta, root of 1 minus sin square theta is equal to here cos theta, formula, this is the formula. Okay, cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta, this value, square root of 1 minus sin square theta value is cos theta. See here this formula 2 sin theta into cos theta, this is the formula. See here in this formula, sin 2a formula. Okay, sin 2a is equal to, see here in this formula, here sin of 2a is equal to here sin of 2a is equal to here 2 sin a, here 2 sin a into here cos of a. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Apply this formula here. Okay, right? Apply this formula. Right, see here in this formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin 2a formula, sin 2 theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of here here in this value sin of 2 theta. So that is sin of 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta. Okay, 2 sin theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta. See here sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta formula, sin inverse of sin theta. See here sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Okay, so here in the sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So that is equal to here 2 into theta. Okay, 2 into theta. So here 2 into theta. Okay, sin inverse of sin theta, this formula. Next here that is equal to here 2 2 into theta value. Here theta is equal to sin inverse x. So replace here theta is equal to here sin inverse of x. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Okay, that is equal to RHS value. Okay, RHS value. Okay, RHS value. Okay, next problem, second question also same procedure. Okay, second question same procedure. Okay, write this question. Okay, one time practice. Okay, right. See here in this next problem, in the second question. Okay, see here first question here, sin inverse of 2x and root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x. So here put x is equal to sin theta in this question. Okay, so here in the second question, same in the side. Okay, in the side is 2 cos inverse x, 2 cos inverse x. Okay, so take here, put x is equal to cos theta, put x is equal to cos theta in this question. Okay, right. See here in this problem, right here, see here in this question, second question. Okay, in this question, second question. See here in the second question, see here in the second question, right, in the second question. So here put x is equal to, see here in the side cos inverse x. Okay, put x is equal to cos theta, put x is equal to cos theta. So if and only if here theta is equal to cos inverse of x, theta is equal to cos inverse of x, theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Okay, right. So taking LHS value, so here LHS value is equal to sin inverse of 2x into here root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus here x square. Okay, LHS value, taking LHS value. So here replace here x by cos theta, replace x by cos theta. So that is equal to, so here sin inverse of 2 into replace x by cos theta. So x by cos theta, here cos of theta into square root of 1 minus x square value cos square theta, x square value is cos square theta. So that is equal to here sin inverse of so 2 into here cos of theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta value sin theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta value is sin theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta value is sin theta. See here in this formula same. Okay, 2 sin theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta formula. Okay, already writing first problem. Okay, same formula. See here in this formula sin 2a formula. See here sin 2a, here sin of 2a is equal to here sin of 2a, sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Okay, 2 sin a into here cos of a, 2 sin a into cos a. This is the formula. Okay, 2 sin a into cos of a. Okay, right. See here, apply this formula here, apply this formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of here sin inverse of, so in this value is sin of 2 theta. Okay, sin of 2 theta, sin 2a formula, this formula. So here sin inverse of sin theta. Okay, sin inverse of sin theta formula, sin inverse of sin theta. So here sin inverse of sin theta, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. So here sin inverse of sin theta is theta. So that is equal to here 2 theta, here theta value 2 theta. So replace here theta by cos inverse x, replace here. So that is equal to 2 into here cos inverse of x. Check RHS value. See here RHS value 2 cos inverse x. Okay, 2 cos inverse x. See here 2 cos inverse x. So that is equal to RHS. Okay, that is equal to RHS. Okay, RHS. Okay, easy problems. Okay, you also one time practice. Okay, first right question, one time practice. Right, see here in this next problem, see here in this next question, 3 marks question, already given in exam. These questions, all questions repeated, only these chapter only 2 exercise problems. Okay, 2 exercise only. Okay, 11 marks coming, 2 marks 2 questions, 3 marks 2 questions, 1 mark 1 question. Okay, 1 mark domain range. Okay, that model question asking 1 question. Next exercise 2-3 marks questions. Okay, 2 marks 2 questions, 3 marks 2 questions, total 11 marks the chapter, easy. Okay, you also practice each question minimum 3-4 times. Okay, any doubt coming, send WhatsApp that question. Right, see here. So here next problem, here 47 by 1. Next second exercise problem. Okay, first question 47 by 1. Okay, alright, see here in this question here prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, 4x cube. See here both sides sin inverse here. Both sides sin inverse here. Okay, so you're taking RHS value in this problem. In this RHS value, put x is equal to sin theta. Here sin inverse x given in this side. Okay, put x is equal to sin theta. In this side cos inverse x given, put x is equal to cos theta. Okay, next problem, that question. Okay, first this question, see here both sides sin inverse here. So here put x is equal to sin theta. Here sin given, sin theta. Here cos inverse given, put x is equal to cos theta. Okay, next question. Right, see here in this question, 3 marks question, this question. See here in this question, here put x is equal to, here in this side is sin inverse given, sin theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. Okay, write this one. See here in this solution here, in this solution, see here in this problem here, put x is equal to, here put x is equal to sin of theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. See here if and only if theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Okay, theta value. Right, see here taking RHS value. Okay, taking RHS value. See here in this RHS value, so in this RHS value, here RHS value sin inverse of, here sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, 3x minus 4x cube, 3x minus 4x cube. See here replace here x by sin theta, replace x by sin theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of, see here sin inverse of, so that is 3 into, replace x by sin theta. So that is 3 sin theta minus 4 into sin cube theta. 4 into here sin cube theta. 4 into sin cube theta. Okay, replace x by sin theta. Replace. Next, see here this is the formula, sin 3a formula. See here in this formula, sin of 3a formula. See here in this formula sin 3a. Okay, sin of 3a. Here sin of 3a is equal to, here sin of 3a is equal to, in this formula 3 sin a minus 4 into sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 into sin cube a. Okay, this is the formula. So apply this formula here. Okay, apply this formula. See here sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. See here 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, this value is sin 3 theta, this total value. Okay, sin of 3 theta. See here sin of 3 theta. Apply this formula here. See here. So that is equal to sin inverse of, this value sin of 3 theta. Okay, sin of 3 theta. Okay, sin of 3 theta. See here sin 3a formula. Okay, sin 3a formula, sin of 3 theta. Next here, see here that is equal to, here sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta formula. Here sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Right, see here sin inverse of sin theta is theta. Theta is equal to, here sin of 3 theta. So that is equal to here 3 into, okay, 3 into theta value. Replace theta by sin inverse of x. Okay, replace theta by sin inverse of x. Okay, right? Check here LHS value 3 sin inverse x. See 3 sin inverse x. So that is equal to here LHS value. Okay, LHS value. This is 3 marks question. This question repeated question. Okay. See here one more time. See here in the schema evaluation here. In the schema evaluation, right? See here. First here replace x by sin theta. See here taking RHS value. Okay, RHS value. This is the RHS value. Here replace x by sin theta. Okay, replace x by sin theta. Here writing here this stuff here. Here given 1 mark in schema evaluation. Okay, given 1 mark here. Okay, right. Next see here 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the formula, sin 3a formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So apply this formula here, writing here this step here, given 1 mark here. Okay, given 1 mark in schema evaluation. Okay, so here sin inverse of 3 theta. Next write here this value. Okay, here this is sin inverse of sin theta is theta, so 3 theta. Replace here theta by sin inverse of x. Write here this step here, given 1 mark. Okay, here given 1 mark. Okay, 3 steps 3 marks question. Okay, write this question one time practice. Right, see here in this next problem. Okay, next question. Right, see here in this next problem. So next same that model. Here cos inverse given, both sides cos inverse given. Okay, same question. Right, in this question put x is equal to cos theta. Okay, right, see here both sides cos inverse, put x is equal to cos theta. These two questions repeated questions, 3 marks questions. Okay, 3 marks. Right, see here in this problem, first here page number 47/2 textbook. Okay, your textbook question. Right, see here in this solution here, in this solution, see here put x is equal to, here put x is equal to, put x is equal to, here in this both sides cos inverse here. Okay, so here put x is equal to, here cos of theta. So here if and only here theta is equal to, here cos inverse of x, theta is equal to cos inverse of x, here theta is equal to cos inverse of x here. Right, here taking RHS value. So here in this RHS value, see here RHS value, so in this RHS value cos inverse of, here cos inverse of RHS value, cos inverse of 4x cube, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, minus 3x. See here replace here x by cos theta, replace x by cos theta, so that is equal to, here cos inverse of, okay, cos inverse of 4 into, replace x value cos theta, so that is equal to here cos theta, okay, whole cube. Okay, cos cube theta minus here 3 into, replace x by cos theta, so that is cos of theta. So here replace x by cos theta, cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta. Okay, this is the formula. See here in this formula, cos 3a formula, cos of 3a formula. See here cos 3a. Okay, cos of 3a is equal to, here cos of 3a, cos of 3a is equal to, in this formula 4 into cos cube a, 4 into here cos cube a minus here 3 into here cos of a, 3 into cos of a. This is the formula. Okay, right? This is the formula. Okay, right? This is the formula. See here cos 3a formula. Cos 3 is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Apply this formula here. See here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here that is cos of 3 theta. Okay, replace here theta here. Okay, so that is equal to, here cos inverse of cos of 3 theta, cos inverse of cos of 3 theta. So here that is equal to, here cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. So that is equal to here 3 into here theta value, replace here theta by cos inverse x. Okay, cos inverse of x. Okay, 3 cos inverse x. Check here LHS value, 3 cos inverse x. Okay, so that is equal to LHS value. Okay, LHS value, that is equal to LHS value. Okay, see this question also same. Okay, same procedure. See first here in this taking RHS value. Okay, replace here, put x is equal to cos theta, replace cos theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta. Okay, writing here this stuff here, given 1 mark. Okay, given 1 mark, same. Okay, previous question same scheme evaluation. Next here apply formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos of 3 theta. This formula, apply this formula here. Okay, given 1 mark here, given 1 mark. Okay, right, next see here cos inverse of cos theta formula, cos inverse of cos theta, here cos inverse of cos theta, cos inverse of cos theta is equal to here theta. Okay, cos inverse of cos theta. See here cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. Replace here theta by, replace theta by cos inverse of x here. Okay, 3 cos inverse x. Check here LHS value, 3 cos inverse x. Okay, so that is equal to LHS. So writing here last year in this step here, replace here theta by cos inverse x, given 1 mark. Okay, replace here theta by cos inverse x, replace here, given 1 mark. 3 steps 3 marks. Okay, right? 3 steps 3 marks. Okay, write this question, practice one time. Today problems, all problems important. Check previous question papers. Okay, repeat these questions. Okay, right? Today class complete. Okay, today class finish. Today one more time you also practice each question minimum 3-4 times. Okay, each question. Problems easy. Okay, in comparing first PU, second PU easy. Okay, don't take tension. Okay, right? Okay, I send this video YouTube also. Any doubt coming, one more time listen that video. Okay, don't take tension. Okay, right? This is online classes. Offline also one more time teaching. Okay, offline also all chapters. Don't take tension. Okay, any doubt coming, send WhatsApp that question. Okay, right? Any doubt coming, open that YouTube, download this video, one more time listen. Okay, practice. Right? Today class finish. First practice trigonometry formulas. Today one time write to trigonometry formulas, read and write. Only trigonometry formulas today. Okay, 1 hour, evening time or morning time, your choice. Right? Today class finish. Right?